So let's start one beautiful trick for A inverse. How to find out A inverse? So for that, let's create our own matrix. So this trick you can solve in 5 seconds. So suppose my matrix is 1 2 1, and we can put some zeros also. It will be easy for us for calculation purpose. So 0 and 1. Suppose here we are putting 1 again, and suppose here we are putting again 1 0 1. So this kind of matrix will be much easier. We should not keep 1 here, otherwise determinant will be 0. So let's consider some other number. What about 2? Yeah, that will be fine. So your trick is, so first of all, we know the formula. If you want to find out A inverse, what is the formula? Very quickly, we know the formula: adjoint A divided by determinant of A, right? Det A. So det A anyhow we have to find out quickly. So first of all, let's find out det A quickly. So det A, this is a symbol for det A. So 1 and this you leave, multiply 2 minus 0 and then minus 2, then this and this you leave, so 0 minus 1 and then plus 1, then this and this you leave, so 0 0 1 1. So we got minus 1 again, and let's remove all these lines, so it will be okay, done. Okay, so quickly we can okay, so let's solve this. Here we go, 2 minus plus 2 and minus 1, if I'm not wrong, and if I'm doing any calculation mistake, sorry for that in advance. So here we got 3, we got our det A value. Now the trick is involved in adjoint A, because we are not going for the conventional way. Very easy way we are going to do this. So very quick, let's copy these elements. These elements means I'll tell you, I'll change the color first. I'll be taking this one. Yeah, so suppose you have this C1, this thing, right? So copy this. So 1 0 1, and then you copy this 2 1 0, then you copy this 1 1 2. Okay, then this C1 again you write here 1 0 1, and this C2 again you write here 2 1 0. Now we have copied, so this was our C1, this was our C2, and this was our C3, and now this is again our C1, this is again our C2. So now this became our new row 1 and this became our new row 2. Just copy down here row 1 again, the complete set 1 2 1 1 2, and then again come and do this second row. This R1 is completely here, R2 we have to write 0 1 1 0 1. Now see, you have to erase your first row and first column, means this portion you have to quit and this portion you have to quit. So we are remaining with how much? Actually we are remaining with this much, right? So we are actually remaining with 4 cross 4. Now what to do? You just multiply this here and minus multiply this here. So it means what? And let's start filling the component here. So I will fill the component here. So directly we are getting now A inverse. So 1 by 3. What is this 3? This was determinant of A. Now for adjoint A, we will fill the matrix here. So this 2 into 1 will give you 2, 2 and 0. So 2 minus 1 will give you 2. So substitute this 2 here. Then multiply this. So we got 0. Then multiply this 2 and 2. We got 4. So we got minus 4. So substitute minus 4. Okay. Then multiply this. We got 1. Then we got 2, and then multiply this. We got 1. So total is 1. So we got 2 minus 4 and 1. And the big mistake here I did, that we don't have to write column wise. We have to write this element completely row wise, like 2 minus 4 and 1. So 2 minus 4 and 1. Okay. In same way we have to do for the, so erase these lines, done. Erase this element also, everything done. Now you go for the second multiplication set, means multiply 1 into 1, this is 1, 2 minus 0, so 0, 2 into 0, so totally we got 1 here. Then multiply this 2, then multiply this 1 1, multiply this 0, multiply this 1, we got minus 1. So again 1 1 minus 1, you arrange like this, 1 1 minus 1. Okay, so we are multiplying column wise, but we are writing row wise. In same way here we are multiplying column wise and we are writing row wise. Again same thing will happen. Erase this and erase all these things, and now let's multiply column wise and let's write row wise. Column wise, how to write? 0 minus 1, then we got here minus 1, so write here minus 1. 2 minus 0, we got 2, so write 2. 1 and here minus 0, we got 1, so 1. So we got our A inverse.